So guys, our house is flooded. Our house is flooded. Our house is flooded. So where the pool?
Yeah, Doc.
Yes, how are you?
I'm good. Yourself?
Not too bad, not too bad. I heard of this big flooding in Ghana, and your house was apparently very affected.
Yes, Doc. That is what happened.
Serious, that's very serious. I'm currently in London, but I'll be back for the weekend. But I was told that I wanted to I got your number, and I just wanted to call and check on you.
I was your Kevin Taylor, and look at your shedding beef, no. Kevin Taylor, as I don't know how was so. I'm shedding abated to nap and some. Shed that take Kevin Taylor pan some, media, any on Kali J, Bongo Ideas, Chatawali, any other person be a, just say, or bet 2 hours after said the fear I walk time in Swebe Fasono. Shedding has disciplined all these people. I have Penyah broke media. Let's say the demo. Or better, keep video no other room. Or subscribers and other click on the place and updates. Now, better the wild in their mamma or comments as much as possible. No, she video for any be ashe. And on the 18th of May 2025, that was Saturday. And in switch and trade at all, Accra, I say, Bruno, Pantine, East Legon Hills, any Adabraka. What I say, some places be Accra, I in so a toy, Emma. Israel toy, it was so intense to a point that the whole communities got flooded.
Rabbi, for what you want to do. Anyone there? Anyone there? No, we'll check out your shoe. Yeah, choose what's the wall. I go to driving school, independent square. One of us will do one of share my bill to the traffic when you hire crowd. And I will have
The gutter that is supposed to take the water away, and the gutter is flooded. Oh, gutter ne yiri, and I gutter on our course because this place, obiti, that is a wall, obifi wall. This wall is high, it's not that low. You are share, you level. Abba the paint. Oh, a drought, see how it has become. This is a bridge. We bridge and wire over that. It's fault. There's a bridge here. And the manufacturer it's fault. So we are, I would say, I'm even lucky because we feel the other path. But then, I'm not going to say, that is the problem that we
Kwadwo Sheldon fie kura na ewo pantan. Young guy or a hard working guy, what born the brother see fie. Our his studio nyina wo mu kama. Ni fie e so twifa ho.
So guys, Our house is flooded. Our house is flooded. Our house is flooded. So where the pool? Yeah, one I I don't know. Let's go.
Now, this particular video now of Kwadwo Sheldon or no one try and as or no a posted even Metro TV for quite a post here. Now, Metro TV a posted which was a heartbreaking scene from the residents of Kwadwo Sheldon after the heavy downpour, as we make it this particular tweet. Our X. Emuna Shatawale Edin kan ebaye. Ana Shatawale Betchule say, "This is serious. Sorry, brother. Let me know if you need some help. So sorry, Charlie." Edit to the poster, Metro TV for MK around Kwadwo Sheldon incidents. This is one particular Twitter. Shatawale MK on that. And in that tweet, Anna shared a reply. And I said, "I don't need your help. Me here, if you get any help from me, master, make you go give to your mommy, who they beg every day for your support. For come on, mammy. Na there be a Shatawale member media, that's super patch to the point so obesresre. Ne rent it misuna ye tuno. Na ne buy Shatawale. This is katom prada or cars akese good fee. Ana ne maame rent aso a ye permanent fee. O maame ti metre media no sube stress riska. E go to rent. Ana share the can see which is so and if I come on maame or no be here na me de. Beside me post here no. Metro for post your man fan and can say he needs help or somebody for come help him. O man fan count into Kwadwo Sheldon ever reply with that. And as any a year Shatawale here and then you're back to back. Shatawale ego ku apply wati free. And not just say you go rent for water top where you dey talk with pride like that, eh? You say walk behind down with in TV. And I won't say any home only home blast here. Kasa home also. And so I go just test with massa. Me na me de me ho. And I see me here oh how anything. What is your problem? Now Shatawale sabe to us oh here needs to be proud. What? Na help by force ana. By force is engineer trying. Melbourne out there is a member by force. Only bet you here needs to be proud and say as intense. Ana Kwadwo Sheldon better to be man no. That's a year kwa bufu mu other say. Otumana wale as about you. Now you come show we say water they carry you. Why you no call swimmers association to come save you? Tortoise pussy. I know just now Sheldon post say in so do okono. Yeah there. I don't one fresh swimmers as we save you. O post beto Twitter now was here nende. I don't know one friend. Omumbu jari is sending omumra emejo. What I say? And I was I just say the evil men do no more lives after them. We can see it clear. And I said just born in the pie and no much by now already. You who clear just say why is Sheldon Eddie money 18 in so a funny fee. And well, if you want to rent swimming pool, go Kempinski. Don't show us. Just say, Wale, I bet I wonder. Just because Wale, our culture share this opposite of what I'm sharing say on any fake idea. Only Mushatawale, settings man, only Wale mine. Wale mine, a lidu, ebwa, Kwadwo Sheldon, and ne. And beside, Kwadwo Sheldon is not a broke guy. And after this, I've been seeing people commenting, say, I Kwadwo Sheldon, Ohieni, Shatawale Beso Bwawa. Kwadwo Sheldon, that blogger I know, the YouTuber I know, Ohieni, someone who has employed about 20 people for impersonal studio, KSS, Kwadwo Sheldon studio, he has more than 20 workers that he pays them every month from his pocket. Kwadwo Sheldon gets more than 20 people. His cameraman, just a sound engineers, all combined. County Explore team, Kwadwo Sheldon more than 20 workers out here every month. And there's none a worker who takes less than 2,000 cedis a month from Kwadwo Sheldon. There's none. Obia ni cases a Kwadwo Sheldon to an less than 2,000. No. Obia ni cases a Kwadwo Sheldon to an less than 2,000 a month. ABC baby ada. And you got this gentleman, a broke guy. As a blogger who is also a YouTuber, as a blogger, I can boldly tell you, because your crowd your views, we see the amount we get every day. It is a day views you're making a day, and the amount of money we get in correlation to that. Next year they compare because you share the views a day amasa. I can sit on my platform and tell you that Kwadwo Sheldon makes not less than 200 million every day. And it's a fact. I can tell you. Kwadwo Sheldon, you don't know. You don't know it here. Kwadwo Sheldon, people are calling him broke guy. You don't know Kwadwo Sheldon. Then keep quiet. Keep quiet. What I say? And Mr. say, Kwadwo Sheldon was a blogger. Once this thing has happened, he will come post it. 80 meaning someone for his person he shouldn't have posted it or what? What I say? And then there will be any one day wale kasa we be wale kwa kasa oh enso bia nto ye uti na kobo bi politan kimu na apa uti na kobo bi politan kimu na apa ni so ni twa fio is wale kasa bebrebe what wale ebe kasa bebrebe e ma no kwasi ekwa no you know former vice president Dr. Bawumia kwa Kwadwo Sheldon echia no ara say e man high five all phones or friend check in.
Yeah, Doc.
Yes, how are you?
I'm good. Yourself?
Not too bad, not too bad. I heard of this big flooding in Ghana, and your house was apparently very affected.
Yes, Doc. That is what happened.
Serious, that's very serious. I'm currently in London, but I'll be back for the weekend. But I was told that I wanted to I got your number, and I just wanted to call and check on you.
Oh,
how you doing?
Thank you very much. We are okay. Everything is okay now. We've been able to, clear the place, and we are back to business. So everything is cool.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah. Everything is normal now.
Wonderful, wonderful. We thank God.
Yeah.
So we'll be in touch when I get back.
No problem.
Okay?
Thanks for the call, Doc.
Take care. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Take care.
Right.
Bye.
That was out of nowhere. Kevin tell on the Obia assembly a cool, I just a crack. Assembly a cool or Ghana had my just a crack. Kevin tell as everybody one can be a wound to maintenance. Obia be a dear dinner. And then Kevin Taylor a bunny page. And what you say? Every time the clouds gather, Wafa Green in Hat go cut. It's 3:23 a.m. in Ghana. Wafa is sleeping on a wet pillow. All his boxes are wet. Or they can make this particular tweet. And what you say? Oh, anytime be in Sube Munabiana say Wafa Green, let Wafa Green or Koishad Wafa was in to take me to Wafa Green. A young Bessishano, there's a Zoom Munabiana of Akuma air yat. And I just check it time now. About 3:23 a.m. Our Ghana. We see our claim the Wafa Edda. Wafada sumi on tidas and sumina for say tam. Rather quick next with Rimwa, we share in Fina Fladen, Ehwana Unia Eda Soda. What I say, and that particular post, Anna Kwasiato ever reply, I am better than you. Besides, I am a landlord. This be my house where I built with my personal money, my pocket money. I'm not there any lady in basement. There's a Kwasiato ever throw. Shade at Kevin Taylor. Trend say, until be a basement. Wasirewada. Until be a basement. Onwakasa bobra no tini fee. Wa bobra and what tini fee or tini fee. Until be a basement on tenant on rent it. And now while intino to be a fee or nwakasa na bobra tini fee because you share this studio. What was in the fee of time? It's no one kasa. Know your level. One make kasa. Know your limit. Know your level. It is a reply I shared in Edema Kevin Taylor. Answer one Kevin Taylor said by what you say. Wafa Green, my kitchen is available. Wafa Green, my kitchen is available for Airbnb. The dollar will go down, so maybe you can afford for 2 nights. And actually hashtag our home is flooded. Let's just Whatever. Make kitchen now can once na the whole free. The whole free e to bla bla budget. Na come who the dollar nkra e come take be wait me rent na wa patch ho for some time big and to say name be yere say wa kasa wa movie e ko obeb enen so go share say blast no. Go say wo bibia o papa ahemfie na ebu o papa ahemfie na ebu no. Kode kosi ma no enye me na me dey beside. I never posted that I need any help. And it is true because Kwasiato didn't make it this particular point. One fan come baby say he needs help. It's a wonder why people are just dragging him here and there, back and forth. Say, as he said, the fact that he posted on the internet meaning said he was soliciting help. How? How, bro? How? How? He be blogger. Anything that pops up, he posts it. It's either the baby for effort on one post here. Then you are just taking it to different dimension. You see some, people be way there for the social media inside. They call Kwadwo Sheldon broke guy, stubborn, proud. Oh, hear me. You be nurse. You take 3,000 series a month. You go there insult Kwadwo Sheldon. They call him stubborn, proud. Oh, hear me, stubborn, proud. You are 3,000 series a month. It will take him less than 5 hours to get it. Not even a day. 5 hours to get your monthly salary. But you see on social media, just because of your political affiliation, your political lenses, then they throw shit at Kwadwo Sheldon. They call him Ohiani stubborn proud. Hey, you can never call a doctor a broke guy. Doctor is taking 8,000 series a month. 8,000 series a month. You will not call him a broke guy. Because you shared it. One day, in earning for one day, be times 4 of professional doctor's monthly salary. Over Kwadwo Sheldon a broke guy. It was a tragedy for me. Comment section. I how you pay your broke media.